Good morning, friend. Again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Dr. Prakash Chandra Jha, for English classes. Now, the thing is there, I am really right now dealing with parts of the speech in continuation, you can see. Now, the turn is the turn of common noun. First of all, actually, we should know what is common noun. Anything that is common. Suppose, if I call cow, cow doesn't mean a single cow, all the cow of the world. If I tell man, it doesn't mean single man. It means all the men of the human just on the earth like that. Similarly, let us come to this definition you can see here. A common noun is a name given commonly to every person. कहने का मतलब यह जो जातिवाचक संज्ञा वह नाम है जो कॉमन रूप से लोगों को दिया जाता है, जानवरों को दिया जाता है, जगहों को दिया जाता है, थिंग को दिया जाता है, एक ही तरह का और एक ही क्लास का, एक ही वर्ग का. एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए. मैं पहले जगह की बात बोलता हूँ. जगह क्या है? जैसे विलेज लिया. विलेज करने का मतलब दुनिया की सारी विलेजेस है ना. व्यक्ति कहता हूँ, जैसे मान लो जी हमने आदमी कहा तो दुनिया का सारा आदमी. इंग्लिश में कहे मैन तो दुनिया का सारा आदमी. When we tell just any elephant, that doesn't mean single elephant. It is really supposed to be elephant of the world. When I tell Moti elephant, this is not a common noun, it is proper noun because it indicates certain person. Is it not so? For example, when I tell young man or old man, maybe you can say it over that a particular entire person of the world like that, young man, old man. When I tell Mr. Prakash, what does it mean? It is really supposed to be proper noun because it indicates the name of a certain person. But when I tell proper, even for proper noun becomes common noun. Prakash doesn't mean a single person. All the person getting the name of Prakash, it can just used commonly, that can also be termed as common noun. It's not sure. Now let us see the example case here. A student. When you tell a student, it doesn't mean a student of particular school. It means the student of entire world like that. Aunt. Aunt is just chachi, what you say, or kaki, whatsoever thing you say. It doesn't mean a single person, but it means almost all the person. When I just talk about a snake is reptile. It doesn't mean one reptile, but it means many reptile. Village, as I already have actually just clarified. Rose represent flower, but flower is common, not just common noun. But here rose represent rose. I mean it is the flower or rose. Maybe you can say about that rose. It is proper noun, but here it is common noun. By rose, it means all the rose. Maybe color difference whatsoever. Mango, all the mango of the world. Tomato, all the tomato of the world. Head, all the head of the world. Foot of the, all the foot of the world. Chair, all the chair of the world. Bus, a vehicle, all the bus of the world like that. So let me repeat it here. Common noun किसको कहते हैं? जातिवाचक संज्ञा को. वह क्या करता है? एक नाम हमने बोला, उससे सिमिलर मिलता जुलता जो दुनिया के जितने भी हैं वो सारे के सारे आ जाते हैं उसमें. चाहे वो आदमी हो, चाहे वह जानवर हो, चाहे वह कोई जगह हो, या चाहे वह कह सकते हो कुछ फल हो, सब्जी हो, फ्रूट है. जैसे आदमी के लिए हम कहते हैं तो दुनिया की सारी आदमी की बात हो जाता है. जैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि मान के चलो आदमी नहीं कहते, हम कह रहे थे इंग्लिश मैन. तो इंग्लिश मैन केवल एक ही इंग्लिश मैन नहीं होता, इंग्लैंड में रहने वाले सारे इंग्लिश मैन है पूरी दुनिया में, वो भी कभी कहीं ना कहीं कॉमन नाउन हो जाता है. यह डिपेंड करता है यूजेस पे, है ना. जैसे हमने बताया कि जैसे मान के चलो हम कहते हैं स्टूडेंट. ठीक, स्टूडेंट तो कॉमन नाउन है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट ऑफ आर्यन पब्लिक स्कूल, तो यह क्या हो गया? प्रॉपर नाउन हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि वह उस स्टूडेंट को बताता है जो उस स्कूल में पढ़ता है. तो भाई मेरे इसमें कन्फ्यूजन होने की बात नहीं है. यूजेज, प्रैक्टिसेस makes a man to be perfect. It is very common thing. This is what is there. Wish you all the best. Or not to speak of that, I expect your feedback too. I am no question just a teacher, veteran in the area, but to just come before the camera, take the very thing. It is a little bit peculiar in the sense I never did this much of thing, but still I am just doing and nearly more than 1,000 videos I have made in different area. But I need your feedback. I don't know what is editing, how to make it really supposed to be lipstick at it. What is there? It is black and white. As I am black and white. This much. Thank you very much.